Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to make a low-carb chili. We're going to turn this into this. Looks good, huh? Let's get started. So now I'm going to take 2 beef patties. We're going to cook this first, okay? We'll cook all this in a crock pot, but we're just going to cook the beef. Try to cook out all that fat. And try to get the pieces as small as possible, okay? Also, if you want to spice it up, add some, some spicy sausage too, So we're going to drain out the fat from the beef. And let's cut the veggies. So this is 1 bell pepper, green bell pepper. Now after this, we're going to use a red bell pepper. Dice this up, nice and small. Next, we're going to dice up probably about 8 or so mushrooms. Dice up 1 whole white onion. And we're going to make this basically, we're not going to use water. We're going to blend up 8 Roman tomatoes. We're going to dump this into the crock pot later on. It's going to give it a good, thick sauce. So now we're going to add the beef to the crock pot. Let's set the crock pot to high. 1 lime. Add in the tomato paste. Add in the mushrooms. Add in the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, white onions, and add some cherry tomatoes, to kind of spice it up. We're going to dump in 2 teaspoons of olive oil, about 3 to 4 garlic cloves, and the brown sugar, about 4 tablespoons, maybe 6, and 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 4 tablespoons of chili powder, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Okay, now, this is a beef bouillon cube we just added in right here. And now, with all that, we're gonna dump in those 8 Roman tomatoes we blended together. It's gonna give it a nice thick sauce. Now mix it up. In about 4 hours on high, it's gonna look perfect. Quick and easy, low carb chili, everyone. If you want to make it spicier, add in some jalapenos, add in some habaneros to give it a little pop, and that's it. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you thoroughly mix all the ingredients together. Check on it every hour or so to mix it up, and this is what we get. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Look how thick that is. Wow, I even impress myself sometimes. So I guess I'm gonna try this out. I'm kind of hungry. This is the end result. Everybody have a great day. Subscribe and like. If you want me to make any other videos, please let me know. And have a great day. Take care.